Hello, and welcome to our podcast.
In this episode, we will discuss.
Before we start this episode, I want you to answer one simple question. Honestly, if tomorrow you disappear from this world, what will people say about you? Respect or relief? Because listen carefully. In the real world, people don't remember what you meant to do. They remember what they think you are. That is reputation.
And that's why Law 5 hits differently. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life.
Guard it with your life. Not with words. Not with explanations. But with actions, silence, and control. Because once your reputation cracks, people don't wait for proof. They enjoy the fall.
That's brutal, but true.
Brutal truth time. Reputation is power you don't have to use. It walks into the room before you do. Let me explain one word here for our listeners. Reputation. It means what people believe about you, even when you're not there. Simple.
And the dangerous part is, you may think you're invisible, but people are always watching.
Always. Your tone, your reactions, your friends, your silence. Everything adds up.
I learned this the hard way.
Good. Stories teach better than advice. Go on.
A few years ago, I was working with a small team. I was good at my work, but I was careless with my image. I joked too much. I shared frustrations openly. I trusted the wrong people.
Pause here. This word is important. Careless means not careful enough. Relaxed in the wrong places. Continue.
One mistake. Just one emotional reaction in a meeting. And suddenly, I wasn't passionate. I was unstable. Not by my boss. By whispers.
And whispers kill reputations faster than enemies. Because enemies attack from the front, but whispers attack from behind.
Exactly. I didn't lose my job that day. But I lost something bigger. Control.
And once you lose control of your reputation, others start writing your story. This is why the law says, guard it with your life. Not because people are evil, but because perception is lazy. People don't investigate. They assume.
And assumptions become labels.
Yes. And labels become limits. Now listen carefully. Because this is where most people make a fatal mistake. They try to defend their reputation loudly. And that is weakness.
Exactly. The moment you start explaining yourself too much, people smell insecurity.
Let me explain one important word here. Insecurity. It means fear of losing value in others' eyes. Simple.
Strong people don't shout their innocence. Their reputation does it for them.
That's power. Look at history. Barnum, Peel, Edison, Tesla. They didn't just fight with talent. They fought with image.
And the scary part is, you don't even need to destroy someone completely. Just plant doubt.
Yes. Doubt is slow poison. Once doubt enters, even truth sounds suspicious. This is why Law 5 says, attack reputation, not the person.
I remember something else from my life. After that incident, I stopped reacting emotionally. I stopped oversharing. I chose silence.
Pause. This word matters. Silence means controlled absence of reaction, not weakness. Weapon.
Within months, the same people who doubted me started respecting me again. Not because I explained, but because I stayed consistent.
Consistency builds reputation faster than talent. Talent can be doubted. Consistency cannot.
And enemies? They disappeared.
Enemies don't disappear. They get confused. When they can't predict you, they fear you. And fear protects reputation.
So the real lesson is, build your name so strong that even your enemies advertise you.
Powerful line. Let me simplify this law for our listeners. If you want respect, guard your reputation like your life. Don't argue with fools. Don't react emotionally. Don't explain to everyone. Let your actions speak. And your silence echo.
Because in the end, people don't follow truth. They follow perception.
And perception is the real currency of power. My brothers and sisters, this podcast is not just about English. It's about surviving the real world. Here, you learn English through conversation and life through truth. If you understood even one sentence today, pause, think, apply, and remember, power is never loud. Power waits.
And reputation speaks. Even when you don't.
Next episode, we'll break Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Dangerous, misunderstood, and extremely powerful. So subscribe, like, share this with someone who needs to protect their name. We are not here to entertain you. We are here to sharpen you. See you in the next one.